All right, folks, so these stocks are giving sell signals right now. If you guys are familiar with our selling strategy, where we look to sell is when this blue wave is up here above the white line here, given a red dot. And you can see this one right here is given that red dot. You can see the massive extension there off of the EMAs. So we use these EMAs as a reference to see like, hey, are we getting a fair price, an expensive price, or a cheap price? So ideally, right, what we're looking at here is the cheat sheet. So when things are way up off of the average is just the mean. Mean is just another word for average. So when things are very extended off of our averages, so we use a 1 year and a 4 year average, okay? We want to buy as close to the average as possible. Okay, we want to buy into the average or below the average, never up above the average, okay? That's how we know we're getting a premium. If you're buying up here, you're buying at a premium, but this one looks very toppy here. This is XOM. ExxonMobil's had a really nice move. Again, our buying strategy is to buy when the blue wave is down here, given green dots, and it's to sell when it's up here above the white line, given red dots. So again, our time to buy XOM was back here at around 105, okay? And now it's sitting all the way up here at 150. That was around a 50% move to the upside. Now you're getting the sell signal. Now we need to take profits and let this thing come back into its moving averages. I got a couple more sell signals here as well. This one right here is DAL, Delta Airlines. Okay, I think this one's topping out here up at 75. Definitely not buying up here off the average. Again, where was our time to buy? Okay, our buying strategy is to buy when the blue wave is down here, given a green dot. Okay, you should have been buying right here in November, rip. Right here in August 2024, rip. Right here in April 2025, $35, rip. Okay, but now, right, we're not buying. We want to buy down here. We want to sell up here. Okay, so DAL is also given a sell signal. Apple even is given a sell signal up here. Okay, it's not quite up here, but it was up here, right here at around 280. So you got those signals right there at 280. It's literally sitting at 265, so we're still near the top. You could either sell this one or set a stop loss right there at 243. It is trying to bounce on the yearly moving average, but if that breaks down below 240, I would definitely exit because that will definitely probably pull back to 200. So either take some off the table here or use a stop loss at 240 because, again, that is a warning sign that, hey, we are potentially going down here. So that's Apple. There's also one on WDC. Now, this one's had a bunch of them up here, just kind of been ripping, but eventually it's going to pull back, right? So I would just use a stop loss on this. I mean, this is sitting at $300. So set a tight stop loss, probably at like 260 on this one. If 260 breaks, right, you don't want to ride a pullback all the way back down here to 75. I mean, from here where we're sitting, right, that would be a 73% drop back into the 4 years. So those are all given sell signals here.